Nanababakabalin, welcome to Warren, Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark and we were invited by CoCo. So this is not our first time. Grabe, ang daming mga branches na rin na na-feature natin. But this one is very special because this is the first branch that would go out of Manila. Ito rin yung unang pinuntahan natin. So meron siyang bagong itsura. Ayun yung pahapyaw natin, guys. So it has a new look. But the same taste, the same favorite ng mga tao. If you wanna watch the experience of the people here, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Sir, what can you say? CoCo has a new look dito po sa SM City Clark.
Mas pinaganda siya, sir, and then inviting yung ano niya, yung ambience niya. Yes, mas pinaliwanag. At syempre may mga bago silang mga product
Correct.
na kailangan nilang matikman.
Ano mostly yung in-order niyo sa CoCo?
3 buddies.
3 buddies, 2 ladies.
Well, first of all, I really like their cocoa pearls and jellies other than the other branches.
How about you?
It's very cheap, tsaka yung pudding nila very good. Pati yung consistency, very nice.
Really, how about you?
Affordable po siya for me.
Alright.
Hana po.
Hannah, how about you?
Ange.
Hans, okay. Do you always go to CoCo?
Yes po.
For what drink?
For their panda milk tea po.
How about
Same,
you?
panda
Okay.
Me po kasi gusto ko po yung taste nila tapos affordable yung price. Tapos ang sarap po talaga ng
How about you?
coco.
Also different po kasi yung pearl nila, yung pearl milk tea. So, I like that variance of coco.
Anong madalas na in-order mo sa CoCo?
Yung 3 buddies.
3 buddies. Okay.
Kasi it's not as sweet as other brands. Tsaka marami rin yung feeling. Shout out to Site 103!
Hi guys, DJ De Leon here. We are all inviting you to experience newly renovated CoCo here at SM Clark as they await you for more surprises. Wala na kayong dapat hintayan. Punta na kayo dito sa CoCo SM Clark. Thank you so much.